Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on your developer option in your Android phone, right? So let's go to the video. So this is my settings. Open settings. Now before we proceed, I would like us to go and check so you see that the developer option is not activated. So by the time we will finish the video, you will see how it will appear. So we have to scroll down, go to system. Now there is nothing like developer option here if you can watch closely, and this is where we're going to have it by the time we activate it. So I have to go back, right? So let's go to my phone. So when we come to my phone now, we look for build number. Hope you can see build number here below here. So I'll have to tap on this build number 7 times, fast 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Now it said I should re-enter my pin to continue, so I'll have to enter my pin, right? So it said you are now a developer, so I'll have to go back. Let's go back to system. Here is system. Tap on system, and you can see developer option has appeared. That is the last option here. Hope you can see developer option here. So once you open this developer option, you can be able to see other settings right there. So this is just how you can activate your developer option in order to access more bigger settings that will help you to keep your phone safe and all of that. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one. Thank you.